Alright. Okay, laban. Now, do you have any message for your supporters?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin and syempre sa Panginoon. Kung ngayong gabi sa inyong harapan. Yun lang po.
Alright. So now, please pick your question. Your question is, in history, kings have made sacrifices for their people. What personal sacrifice are you willing to make for the betterment of your community? Again, in history, kings have made sacrifices for their people. What personal sacrifice are you willing to make for the betterment of your community?
Bilang isang hari, tungkulin ng isang hari ay isang malaking responsibilidad. Responsibilidad na kung saan panatilihin niya ang kaayusan at kagandahan ng kanyang nasasakupan. Para sa akin, kung magkakaroon ng pagkakataon na magsasakripisyo ako, yun ay ang aking buhay. Dahil bilang isang hari, kinakailangan na makita mo kung ano ang iyong nasasakupan, kung ano ang kanilang nararamdaman. Dahil yun ang tungkulin ng isang hari, ang makita ang saloobin ng kanilang nasasakupan upang ito ay kanyang masolusyonan ang mga problema. Nais kong ilaan ang aking buong buhay para sa aking kaharian. Yun po, at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Christian. Moving on to our second finalist, Mr. Christian Dante Vargas from Bicol. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Are you ready for your question?
I'm ready.
Alright. You don't have a choice. Your question is, kings inspire others through their actions. Who inspires you and how do they influence your vision as a leader? Again, kings inspire others through their actions. Who inspires you and how do they influence your vision as a leader?
Thank you for that question. Someone who inspires me and influences me is God. Because I am here standing in front of you because I believe in one Bible verse that Philippians 4 or something, that I can do all things through God who strengthens me. And that belief, I am now standing in front of you doing things that is impossible for me. Because before I joined this pageant, I'm having an anxiety to face all this crowd, all those people. And now, with that quote, with that Bible verse, I am now standing with you with a firm stand, and I will inspire people to do the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next up, Mr. Rizal Province. Hello, good evening. Any message for your supporters?
I just want to say thank you to my supporters who's always been there throughout all my journey, especially to my mom, to my dad, to my family, who's giving me strength to stand here and answer your question.
Alright. So, hindi pa yun yung final question mo. Practice pa lang yun. Okay, so now please pick your question. Your question is, kings often face challenges that test their character. How do you handle situations that challenge your integrity? Again, kings often face challenges that test their character. How do you handle situations that challenge your integrity?
Of course, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We are all perfectly imperfect. Sometimes we win, sometimes we learn, but we never lose. So don't lose hope, don't lose chances, because once you have hope, everything is possible. And if you believe in the power of positivity, everything is possible. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that very empowering answer. Next is Cebu Province. Hello, any people who want to greet?
I would like to greet my family members over there that they would know they would come here. I want to surprise. And I want to give thanks to my team based in Cebu and to all my supporters that are online.
Alright, it's now time to pick your question. Your question is, the Philippines has a rich history of leaders who fought for freedom. Which Filipino historical figure do you admire most and why? Again, the Philippines has a rich history of leaders who fought for freedom. Which Filipino historical figure do you admire most and why?
Historical figure I admire the most probably would be Lapu-Lapu. During 1500s, when Magellan came to Mactan, Lapu-Lapu defended the island, fought bravely with courage and strength. And that's why he is my historical figure I admire the most.
Thank you so much, Mr. Cebu Province. Next is Mr. San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Please pick your question. Kings are often seen as symbols of strength and wisdom. How do you balance these qualities in your daily life? Again, kings are often seen as symbols of strength and wisdom. How do you balance these qualities in your daily life?
So I balance strength and wisdom in my everyday life. By one, strength, ang kalakasan. Walang kalakasan na magbibigay sa atin ng tatag ng loob upang mamuno. At sa kahit na anumang trahedya ang mangyayari o balakid ay ating malalagpasan. At ang wisdom naman ay ang sapat na kaalaman para gumawa ng mga desisyon na makakabuti para sa atin. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Grabe.